Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Sanhedrin Perek Mishna Aleph. Over here in this perek, we're going to continue with the examination of the witnesses, right? So until now, we spoke about all the, intimidating the witnesses. Now we're going to speak about more in the capital punishment, capital cases, about how to examine those witnesses. And we're going to start this Mishnah with 7 different inquiries, questions that we're going to question and examine our edim with. So Ayu bodkim otam b'sheva hakirot, right? We would check them with 7 different investigations. Be'ezeh shavua, right? Shavua over here is literally a week, but it's part of the sabbatical cycle, right? Which year of the Shemitah year was it, right? Be'ezeh shana, the second year was it? Be'ezeh chodesh, which month? V'kama b'chodesh, what date of the month? Be'ezeh yom, what day, right? What day of the week? Be'ezeh sha'ah, what hour was it? Be'ezeh makom, and where, what place, right? So a very specific time, right? And the setting, and the place where it was. Rabbi Yosef Omer, be'ezeh yom, be'ezeh sha'ah, be'ezeh makom. Right, Rabbi Yosef says I only need 3 things. I need to know what day of the week it was, what time, and what place. Right? That's enough. You don't have to give me the date, the month, and not the year. Right? That's I guess more obvious. Right? So that's what Rabbi Yosef is arguing on. Halacha is not like Rabbi Yosef, rather like Tanakama. Now the Mishnah continues, and it's going to continue now with not hakirot and derishot, right? That's the first 7 we spoke about. What kind of bidikot we need, but now we're going to speak about more very essential questions to the actual din, the actual judgment itself. You need to ask him now. Makirim atem oto? Do you know him? Hitretem bo? Did you warn him? Right? We know you need to warn them before we could actually put them to death. Ha'oved avodah zarah. Et ma'avad ubema'avad. Right? He worshipped avodah zarah. Which one? How did he worship the Avodah Zarah? Right? Very specific questions to what he saw, so we know what the actual case was. Right now, Rambam just points out, why do we need these 7 hakirot? Right? So he learns it from he brings about the pasuk that we learn it from. The pasuk says 7 times, right? This language. V'darashta, 1, v'hakarta, 2, v'sha'alta, v'hugadlecha, v'shamata, v'darashta, v'dareshu hashoftim. Right? So there's 7. So it's 7 verbs. That's how we learned that these are 7 commandments in order to focus on the hakira and the dirisha. Now, halacha we mentioned is not like Rabbi Yosef. Rather, even if the edim come and say it was yesterday, we have to actually ask them which year year the the shemitah was it? Which year? Which month? Right? What day of the month? What time? We have to all those things. Why do we need to do all this? Right? Based on the Gemara, we want to take them from place to place to place, so they could, just drive them a little crazy. So if if we ask them so many questions, they become under pressure, and if they are lying, it's going to come out. Right? So it's important to just ask more questions. That's why halacha is like Tanakama.